Hello guys, in this video we will explore on NASA mission to bring back the samples from near asteroid to Earth, and this is done by NASA spacecraft named osiris-rex spacecraft, which has been on a mission to collect samples from the near-Earth asteroid Bennu. The spacecraft, which launched in 2016, reached Bennu in October 2020 and collected samples from its surface. This weekend it is scheduled to return those samples to Earth. The osiris-rex spacecraft was tasked with grabbing at least 2 ounces, which is 60 grams of material from Bennu's surface. However, the mission team soon discovered that Bennu was not as solid as they had expected. The spacecraft's sampling arm sank deep into the space rock before popping back out again. Despite this unexpected challenge, osiris-rex emerged with a bounty of Bennu bits. So much so that dirt and rock clogged up the sampling gear, preventing a proper seal and causing some collected material to float away into space. To minimize sample loss, the mission team decided to stow the Bennu material in the probe's return capsule as quickly as possible. This new plan skipped a previously planned maneuver that was supposed to spin osiris-rex around a bit in order to gather data that would allow team members to estimate the mass of the collected sample. The mission team arrived at an estimate by other means, but it's far from precise. The number is 8.8 ounce, 250 g, plus or minus 3.6 ounce, 101 g. So, the sample capsule could contain as much as 12.4 ounce, 351 g, or as little as 5.2 ounce. The true number won't be known until the asteroid sample has been processed. Osiris-Rex's sample capsule is scheduled to come down to Earth on Sunday, September 24, 2023, making a soft landing under parachutes in the Utah desert. That capsule is full of precious cargo material Osiris-Rex snagged from the surface of a 1,650-foot wide, 500 meters, near-Earth asteroid named Bennu in October 2020. Analyses of the space rock stuff could reveal a great deal about the solar system's early days, researchers say, and might even shed light on how life got its start here on Earth. Even if the low-end estimate turns out to be accurate, it would still be a ringing success for osiris-rex, as it's far above the 2-ounce minimum laid out in the original mission plan. For some perspective, Japan's Hayabusa 2 spacecraft returned only about 5 grams of material from the asteroid Ryugu in December 2020, and scientists have already squeezed a lot of intriguing results from that relatively small sample. Osiris-Rex's returned material will be stored and curated at NASA's Johnson Space Center in Houston. The JSC team will oversee the distribution of the sample to researchers around the world who will study it for a variety of purposes. One line of inquiry will focus on organic compounds, the carbon-containing building blocks of life as we know it. Scientists think carbon-rich asteroids like Bennu may have helped life get a foothold on Earth long ago. But the osiris-rex spacecraft's work won't be done after it sends the sample capsule toward Earth. The probe will then set a course for the potentially hazardous asteroid Apophis, which it will reach in 2029 and study on an extended mission known as OSIRIS-APEX. Thanks for watching the video. Also subscribe the channel.